Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Chromebook. First, check if your Chromebook supports Android applications. Most newer models do, but it's good to confirm. Navigate to your Chromebook settings, usually found by clicking the time in the bottom right corner, then the gear icon. Ensure you have at least 1 GB of free storage. This initial check ensures your device is ready for the next steps. Once in settings, look for the Apps section on the left-hand side. You should see an option to turn on the Google Play Store. Click this, and a new window will appear asking you to agree to the terms of service. Read through them, then accept to enable the Play Store on your device. This step is crucial for downloading Roblox. Now that the Google Play Store is enabled, open it from your app launcher. In the search bar at the top, type Roblox and press Enter. You'll see the official Roblox app in the search results. Click on it, then select the Install button. The app will download and install automatically, which might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After installation, you can launch Roblox directly from your app launcher or the Play Store. Log in with your existing account or create a new one if you're a first-time player. You're now ready to explore countless games and experiences on your Chromebook. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, please see the link in the description below. Enjoy your gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.